So this is a hall that shows tourism in India. This is maybe I'll ask them what is it later. That's waves. And this tourism is for the Union Territory of Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. We have never been there. Let me just find out a little more about it. So these are Daman and Diu. They are jewels by the sea. So can you explain what is this? This is Diu.
Yes, this is Diu.
Yeah.
In Diu, you can visit various places, which is Gogla Beach. This is blue flag certified beach.
Which means?
It's a there is a certificate you get international. It's a international certification that you get from international agency. And this is INS Kukri Memorial. It's a tribute to naval warship.
Okay. Naval warship. Okay.
Yeah.
And this one?
This is Panikota Fortress.
Yeah.
It's an ancient one since Portuguese, and this is Diu Fort.
Okay. At night. The same thing?
No, this is different. This is Fortress, Panikota Fortress, and this is Diu Fort.
Okay. So this, if you go to Diu, you must visit these
all these
four
places,
places.
yeah.
Let's explore Daman now. Tell me, what is this?
This is Ram Setu seafront. It's a beautiful, very beautiful seafront. It's a long stretch, 5 to 7 kilometers long stretch road. And there is a beach, and you can find their water sports activity. You can do that. There is also aviary that's in Jampur.
So bird sanctuary, sort of Daman aviary.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So these are the actual birds sitting there, or just?
No, not actual birds.
Okay. Look at these. So you will find them, right?
Yeah, right.
In this sanctuary, you'll find all these colorful birds.
ये आइकॉनिक ब्रिज है. ये अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट है हमारे दमन का, which will connect Namo seafront to Ram Setu seafront.
Okay, so this is Namo seafront.
दोनों सी फ्रंट्स है. ये दो सी फ्रंट्स अलग अलग है. जैसे दमन है ना, दो पार्ट्स में बटा हुआ है, नानी दमन एंड मोटी दमन. तो नानी दमन में आपको नमोपत सी फ्रंट मिलता है, और मोटी दमन में आपको राम सेतु सी फ्रंट मिलता है. आप देख सकते हैं बीच में नदी जा रही है.
So, but isn't it by the sea?
Yes, it's a by the sea.
Okay. This is known as Daman Ganga, but it is the Arabian Sea water.
Yeah, yes. It connects to Arabian Sea.
So, it is salty, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's salty.
Well, this was a church, and this is a Dominican monastery now in ruins.
Ruins, yes.
Okay.
Ruins.
But it's a nice place to visit. Okay. Well, this is the night market, which has been recently come up. Dadra Nagar Haveli, and you have the Van Ganga Lake Garden, which is again Arabian Sea water.
No, not. It's a lake now.
Oh, it's a lake. Okay.
It's also lake, but बहुत बड़ा है.
It's a huge big lake. Have the lion safari out there. So there are a lot of lions. This is a lioness.
Yes.
Yeah, so cute. So this is a Daman Ganga riverfront.
Yes, riverfront, just as Ram Setu seafront.
Okay. But this is a stream from or going to the Arabian Sea. Okay. So on the map of India, you can find Diu, Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli on the west side. So this is what we just saw. Okay, wow. So you can actually see these. So this is for which place?
Daman.
Daman. Okay. And this is Dadra Nagar Haveli.
यहाँ दादर नगर हवेली में ओम टेम्पल भी है, जो बहुत बड़ा है.
Okay, look at the Om temple. It's huge.
Yes, you can go over here and here.
Okay. And it's in the shape of a Om.
Yes.
Wow, beautiful. Even in Diu, we have a Fudam
Yes.
bird sanctuary, and these are
Even Diu में.
migratory birds.
Yes.
What
Diu
are
में
they?
आपको
Is
dolphins
this your
भी
page,
देखने
no?
मिलेगा. Yes. आप
क्या
follow
नाम
कर सकते
है
हैं.
इनका नाम क्या है ये बर्ड्स का क्या है
ये फ्लामिंगोज है.
हाँ करेक्ट नाम नहीं आ रहा था मुझे Look at the beautiful flamingos. So they have a monsoon festival, and best time to visit these places are from between August to March. And it's a nice place to visit this part of India. Diu, Daman, a coastal paradise, and the nature's tribal paradise. So, well, that is the Union Territory of Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. And that's the officer around telling me about how it is. Thank you so much.